Each year, the Arlington Employment Center sponsors an annual team summer job fair so that you can get your first job, your next job, a summer job, or an internship. In this video, we'll go over what you should do before, the day of, during, and after the teen summer job fair to impress employers. While the teen summer job fair might be months, weeks, or days away, there are things that you can do now to prepare. Before the Arlington Teen Summer Job Fair, you'll want to register for the event. It's important to register so that you receive updates and more information about the event. The link to register for this year's event is in the description below. Once you register for the event, you'll be able to access the list of employers who will be there. Take some time reviewing this list and decide who you want to talk to on the day of the event. You'll want to write or revise your resume so that you can share it with employers at the event. Need help getting started with your resume? Check out our No Experience, No Problem, How to Write Your First Resume video. The link is in the description below. During the event, you'll be talking to multiple employers. You should prepare questions to ask them and be prepared to answer some common interview questions. This includes your elevator pitch, common interview questions, and questions that you want to ask the employers. The elevator pitch is how you'll introduce yourself to them. It's a brief speech about who you are, what you're looking for, and what skills and qualifications you have. Need some ideas? Check out the resources in the description below. The employer might have some questions for you. Practice responding to some common interview questions, such as, why are you looking for a job? What are you interested in doing for our company? Or how has school prepared you for working at our company? You'll also want to prepare a list of questions that you want to ask employers. These can be general questions about the company or specific questions about the job. Fast forward and it's the day of the event. Let's make sure it's a good one. On the day of the Arlington Teen Summer Job Fair, you'll want to pack your materials. This includes copies of your resume, more than you think you'll need, paper, pen and pencil, and a folder to put all your materials in. As you talk to employers, you'll give them a copy of your resume and take notes so you can follow up with them later. Have a plan for what you'll wear. This is a business casual event. For men, we suggest shirts, pants, and shoes. Shirts can be long sleeve, button down, or polos. Ties aren't necessary, but a sweater or sweater vest could be appropriate. Dress pants or khakis are also great options. For women, we suggest dresses or shirts with pants or skirts. Knit sweaters could also be appropriate. Stay away from very tight or low-cut shirts and crop tops. It's best to stick with solid colors. Jeans, flip-flops, and sandals should be avoided. Have a plan for how you'll get there and get there early. Once you get there and sign in, you'll have the final list of employers. Compare that to your preparation and make a plan of who you'll talk to and when. It's the day of the event and the doors open. It's your time to shine. During the Arlington Teen Summer Job Fair, you shouldn't talk to every employer that's there. Time is limited and you're only interested in specific jobs. So get in line for the employers that you want to talk to. Once it's your turn, make a good impression by greeting them with a smile, maintain confident body language and strong eye contact, give them a copy of your resume, and deliver your elevator pitch. Throughout your interaction, practice active listening and ask any of those questions you prepared. Before leaving the employer, make sure you get their contact information, their name, job title, and email address. If they have a business card, ask for it. You'll need this information later. After you leave the table, take some notes before moving on to the next employer. What did you guys talk about? Who did you talk to? This will help you stay organized. While the first interaction might seem awkward or you might be really nervous, it does get easier. The more employers you talk to, the better you'll get. Just because the event is over doesn't mean you're done. There's two things you'll want to do after the Arlington Teen Summer Job Fair. First, you want to apply for any of the jobs that you're interested in per the recruiter's instructions. This might mean that you go to the company's website or the Arlington Employment Center's job board. There are links to the job board as well as a video about how to use it in the description below. Next, send a follow-up email to the recruiters you talked to. If you applied for the job, thank them for their time and let them know that you applied. If you didn't apply for a job, you should still thank them for their time and reference something you talked about with them during the event. If you're feeling stuck, we do have some resources in the description below. We do have a free resource that'll help you prepare for and participate in the Arlington Teen Summer Job Fair. You can go ahead and download that, print it out, or complete it electronically. It walks you through the things you need to do before, during, and after the event to connect with employers and their job openings. In this video, we talked about what you can do before, the day of, during, and after the Arlington Teen Summer Job Fair to impress employers. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more resources. We hope this video was helpful for you, and we'll see you at this year's Arlington Teen Summer Job Fair.